5 activities you can do with 1-year-old to build motor skill. Ball roll. Place a large ball in front of your child and encourage them to roll it back and forth with their hands. This helps to develop their hand-eye coordination. Stack and knock down. Give your child blocks or cups to stack and then knock down. This helps to develop their hand-eye coordination. Crawl tunnel. Create a crawl tunnel for your child to crawl through using pillows or blankets. This helps to develop their physical strength, mobility, and concentration. Sensory play. Fill a container with beans, rice, pasta, or sand and give your child toys or utensils to play with. This helps to develop their sense of touch. Shape sorter. Give your child a shape sorter toy to play with. This helps to develop their problem-solving skills. It is important to remember that each child develops at their own pace, so don't be discouraged if your child isn't able to complete a task right away. Encourage them to keep trying and have fun. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.